To add a card to Apple Pay, begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down to find the Wallet and Apple Pay option. Click on it, and you will be taken to a screen displaying all the cards currently connected to your Apple Wallet. Scroll down to the Add Card option and select it. Next, choose the Debit or Credit Card option from the window that appears. You can either hold your card near your iPhone to automatically fill in the details, or click the Enter Card Details Manually button to input the information yourself. If you choose to enter the details manually, simply type in your name and card number. Then click Next. You will then be prompted to enter your CVV and expiration date. Once you've completed these steps, your card will be linked to Apple Pay. The process is quick and easy, so be sure to follow it through to the end to successfully add your card.